Welcome to SureSolv.com. This is Untitled. This time we would solve two specially selected algebra problems elegantly in a few steps. We like these two problems as each of the problems could be solved in more than one way. This is our favorite many ways technique. Well, all in due time. Let's start solving. The first problem states, if x equal to root 5 plus 1 divided by root 5 minus 1, find 5x squared minus 5x minus 1. Option A 4, option B 3, option C 0 and option D 5. Our first task is to free the surd expressions of x from the prison of outer square root. Unless such a double square root is converted to a single square root of normal surd, we cannot proceed at all. In this case, just multiply and divide the expression within square root by root 5 plus 1. The numerator becomes root 5 plus 1 whole square and the denominator becomes 5 minus 1 equal to 4. So after taking the square root, the value of x becomes root 5 plus 1 divided by 2. So our first target is met. There are two ways to solution from this point. First we'll solve using conceptual method. Examining target expression, we detect an opportunity to extract an expression of x minus 1 by x, which is a subtractive sum of inverses. The technique to identify this powerful pattern is to look for two terms in x with equal coefficient values and difference in power of 2. The terms 5x squared and minus 1 satisfy the power difference condition, which is more stringent. We make the coefficients equal by turning minus 1 to minus 5 and adding 4 to the expression, like 5x squared minus 5x minus 1 equal to 5x squared minus 5 minus 5x plus 4. So the first two terms can be combined to a subtracting sum of inverses by taking 5x as common. X minus 1 by x minus 5x plus 4. Now it's time to evaluate 1 by x. 1 by x equal to 2 by root 5 plus 1 rationalize this. 2 root 5 minus 1 divided by 5 minus 1 equal to root 5 minus 1 by 2. So when we subtract 1 by x from x, we get x minus 1 by x equal to just 2 by 2 equal to 1. Now we substitute the value of x minus 1 by x to get 5x minus 5x plus 4 equal to 4. So answer is option A, 4. This is the answer. If you identify the key patterns and know how to use the patterns, this solution should take maximum 20 seconds without any writing and all in mind. With practice, this becomes easy. We call this a problem solver solution. The second solution is more conventional and directly evaluates x squared by squaring the value of x. Let's see the second solution. The result up to getting simplified value of x is same. We know how to simplify the value of x to root over 5 plus 1 by 2. Now instead of going for the subtractive sum of inverses, we straightforward square up this value of x to root 5 plus 1 whole square by 4 equal to 3 plus root 5 by 2. And substituting these values of x square and x in the target expression 5x square minus 5x minus 1, we get 5 into x square minus x minus 1 equal to 5 into x square is 3 plus root 5 by 2 and x is root 5 plus 1 by 2. If we subtract the value of x from value of x square, we get 2 by 2, which is 1. So it's just 1 and minus 1. This is 5 minus 1 equal to 4. This is the most straightforward solution and do not need any conceptual approach of extracting the subtracting sum of inverses. This is also very quick. Let's solve now the second problem. This problem states, if x squared minus x plus 1 divided by x squared plus x plus 1 equal to 2 by 3, then the value of x plus 1 by x is option A 6, option B 5, option C 8 and option D 4. The target is a sum of inverses, but more important is the given expression in x. It carries the telltale signature of Componendo dividendo, which is one of the most powerful general problem solving technique we know of. We never let go of an opportunity to use Componendo dividendo. The signature pattern of Componendo dividendo is all terms of the numerator and the denominator must be same, with only one term differing in sign, which is true here for the left hand side of the given expression. For convenience, we first invert the given expression, getting x squared plus x plus 1 divided by x squared minus x plus 1 equal to 3 by 2. Componendo dividendo is a three-step process which you do mentally. In the first step, 1 is added to both sides of the equation. In our case, x squared plus x plus 1 divided by x squared minus x plus 1 plus 1 equal to 5 by 2, which becomes 2 into x squared plus 1 divided by x squared minus x plus 1 equal to 5 by 2. The x's are cancelled out. In the second step, 1 is subtracted from both sides of the equation. In our case, x squared plus x plus 1 divided by x squared minus x plus 1 minus 1 equal to just half, which becomes 2x by x squared minus x plus 1. X squared plus 1 are cancelled out. This is equal to half. In the third step, the first result is divided by the second result. As the denominators are same, result of the division becomes x squared plus 1 divided by x equal to just 5. And this is what? This is nothing other than x plus 1 by x equal to 5. We have got the answer directly. Answer option B 5. This is the answer. In the next solution, it is nearly same, but first we have formed the direct expression of x plus 1 by x in the numerator and denominator. X squared minus x plus 1 divided by x squared plus x plus 1 equal to 2 by 3. We'll take x common from first and third term to get x plus 1 by x minus x plus 1 by x plus x. X's are cancelled out, so we have got x plus 1 by x minus 1 x plus 1 by x plus 1 equal to 2 by 3 equal to 2 by 3. We have just changed the LHS and didn't touch the RHS at all. Now from this expression, the problem can be solved in two ways. You can cross multiply, getting 2 into x plus 1 by x plus 2 on the RHS, and on the LHS you will get 3 into x plus 1 by x minus 3. So x plus 1 by x becomes equal to 5. This is by cross multiplication. Or you can apply Componendo dividendo on this expression to get the same result of x plus 1 by x equal to 5. Before signing off, I should mention that At SureSolv, we try to solve any problem, mathematical or otherwise, at minimal cost. For competitive math problems, time is the costly resource, so we try to minimize the time. This is an approach to problem solving in general, and we use just the basic concepts and pattern-based methods. You can also do this if you adopt this approach in your practice of problem solving always. Solving a problem in more than one way we call many ways technique. Again, use of this technique improves your ability to detect and use new opportunities to solve a problem in any situation. Watch out for more videos on problem solving, math or otherwise, in our channel. Thanks for watching.